I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love my new stone drying mats.
This set is from IMB TMY, and I just love the double tier feature. It's a great size. The smaller one is just a little bit shorter, same depth. And again, the height is a little bit different because it allows you to push it underneath. It just has 4 feet that you install on each dry mat, and they were very easy to put together. Put all 4 feet on there, put the little anti-skid stoppers on there. It was a very easy, quick thing to put together and then to just slide them in place. This was great because I don't have a big kitchen, so I loved being able to scoot it out of the way, things that I need to get done in the kitchen. And then when I'm ready to wash, I can pull it out, put the dishes on there. I don't have to worry about the water getting anywhere. They dry so quickly, and just look how much you can fit on here. It was just the perfect addition. This is great for also if I'm washing vegetables. You can have a place to put it on where it's not going to build up mildew or bacteria. I loved how quick everything dried and how beautiful they look.
I love them, but that's just my point of view.